Hi, I'm Alnora. Yesterday I'd shared this post, and I'm talking a lot about the future of work because things are changing so rapidly and people are getting caught off guard. We have even more layoffs that are happening in the next week here in Alberta, and it's just devastating. Here, I'd like to just go down to what Sweta had mentioned of here is that job hopping is fine, is because there is no loyalty from employers to any job permanency. People used to say, well, if you work for the government, you're set. But no, that is not even job permanency anymore. And that brings me to when I started working. HR was under the HR managers would frown if they see a lot of job hopping. And I'm not talking about a few months here. You need to stick around with a position where you've embraced and learned about the skills and all of those. And here, this is the thing I was talking about, is that no, nothing ever lasts forever in this. This is a song that was very popular last decade, yes, 2019, where we says, no, nothing lasts forever. And what I'm talking about there is that jobs don't last forever. Skills that you had grown up and learned are not going to be relevant. And so when Rahim asks about AI and artificial or quantum computers, it's that we can predict what the jobs of the future would be looking like. But the important thing over here, and this is what I stress to parents, and thank you so much here, Craig, is when you talked about, yes, when we talk to our kids, when we talk to the future employees or future CEOs, is that flexibility is going to be very important. If you'd like to solve problems, look at the type of problems you'd like to solve and look at what type of skills you'll need and embrace those. Parents, work on getting your kids higher in the emotional. Look at people skills and all of those, because that is never going to go away. And so, Jill, yes, I love to have humor, and I did bring that. And even Rob had talked about flexibility in one of the previous comments. Is that is one of what's going to help us stay employed in the future of work and looking at entrepreneurship. So I hope that these series have helped. I'll be moving to something different. I'm so happy that tomorrow I'm going to be going back to Evolve You at the Calgary Public Library to deliver LinkedIn for the job, for the full stack developers there. So thank you so much for watching. All the best to you. I'm Alnura.